Hello everyone, happy Friday. You have made it through a whole week of homeschooling. So well done for trying your hardest, and I hope to see lots of emails today of your learning. So our last activity this week for maths is we are going to be drawing some 2D shapes. So you're very confident with 2D shapes now. We have been doing them throughout this week and you've already drawn me some 2D shapes as well. However, we are going to be using a grid today, which I will show you in a moment. So let's have a little warm up together, introduce bronze and silver, and then a challenge 2, and then you're finished for maths for the week. So well done again, let's get going. Draw 2D shapes. So is it a square? Pause here to have a think. So yes, this one is a square. It has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Yes, this is a square again, 4 straight sides and 4 vertices as well. So no, this has no straight sides. They are curved edges as well. So there are no vertices either. And again, yes, 4 straight sides and 4 vertices as well. It is a square. So let's get learning. So we have a grid here and we would like to draw some rectangles. So there he goes, drawing his. And there's hers as well. And another. However, talk to your parents at home. Why is this not a rectangle? So this cannot be a rectangle, firstly because each corner needs to have a right angle, and neither of these have right angles. Another reason why it cannot be a rectangle is because the opposite sides of a rectangle have to be the same. So these two, although they're going in the same direction, they're both parallel, however they do not stop at the same point. So now we're looking at triangles. So there you go. He almost tried to go wrong, but he saved it by drawing himself a triangle. Moving on to pentagons, have a little think now. How many sides does a pentagon need? It does need 5 sides. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, does that count? No, it doesn't. 4. So she has drawn a 4-sided shape there, so that cannot be a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he has drawn a pentagon there. So there you go, they are showing you why that cannot be a pentagon. There we go. So let's check now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape. Oh, do you think it was a triangle, a square, a rectangle, or a pentagon they have drawn there? Triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon. Have a little think. What do you think they have drawn? So hopefully you've had a little think, and we know 1, 2, 3 already has 3 sides, so it cannot be a triangle, so we'll do an elimination. A square, it has to have all equal sides, so again it cannot be a square. Similarly to earlier, rectangle, again it has to have the same sides of the opposite. And again, a pentagon, it could be, so let's have a little look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided shape is a pentagon. On sheet today we would like you to draw some 2D shapes using the grids provided. So first of all, draw 2 different squares. So hopefully once you have seen our warm-up, it will help you draw these different squares, rectangles, triangles and hexagons today. If you need a recap, just have a little think about how many sides and vertices there are in a 2D shape, and that will help you and support you today. This is our silver sheet today. Number 6 says, Annie is drawing a 2D shape. My shape has 5 vertices, so draw Annie's shape using those instructions and detail. Number 7, Teddy has drawn a 2D shape. He has spilt ink on his drawing. What could Teddy's shape be? What shape can it not be? How do you know? So again, use the sides and vertices to help you with that as well. And lastly, draw lots of different shapes, 2D shapes on your grid there, following the instructions provided. Please use a ruler whilst you're drawing in your grids as well today. Finally, true or false, I can draw 2 identical rectangles on the geoboard. First of all, give it a go. Can you draw 2 identical rectangles on the geoboard so you have proven whether it's true or false, and you could even write a sentence explaining how you know that and why, using your drawings to help you.